Hi, welcome to Three Oaks Woodworking. I'm Kathy.
And I'm Kevin, and we like to build things and make sawdust.
Yeah. We created this channel to document all of our projects and to see if we can help other woodworkers.
Our shop is very modest. It's just a one-car garage, and the car has to live in there too.
So that means that all the tools have to go off to the side of the garage when we're not working.
Most of our projects are pretty small, like a coffee table, something like that. But sometimes we make bigger things, especially if the weather's nice and we can work outside for a while.
We aren't professionals and we're always learning new things, so hopefully we can all get better together.
Our plan is to post a new video every 2 weeks. Some of those will be like how-to videos, how to use a tool, how to do a particular setup, something like that. And some will be full-on builds.
We would appreciate your feedback so we can get better and create content that you'll all enjoy.
And if you'd like to subscribe and be part of the tribe, that's awesome.
We look forward to posting a video soon and hearing from you.
But for now, have a great day and keep your biscuits dry. Because nobody likes damp biscuits.
Keep your biscuits dry.